Hello everyone. Today I'm going to share with you 12 hidden run commands that will help you access lots of amazing and hidden tools on Windows 10 and Windows 11. I highly recommend that every Windows user learn how to use these run commands because they will help them in the future to access a lot of hidden tricks and tools. So let's get started right away. You can use two simple methods to reach the run command. Either right-click on the Windows icon and select Run, or you can use the shortcut key Windows plus R. OK, everything. After starting the Run command, the first command is Change PK. This command asks you to type a response, after which you can either hit the Enter or OK keys. Then it will ask your permission, so you will have to click on Yes, and this type of system activation box will now be coming up. And from here, only you can check the status of your Windows, which edition you're using, is it either activated or not. And you can also change the product key from here. All right, the next command is CharMap. In order to access all available characters, you must type this and then click OK. This will display a character map where you can locate all available characters. Alternatively, you can access all available characters by using the Windows option alone. You can use this character anywhere, such as on any type of document notepad or website, by clicking on the drop-down menu in the font category and selecting the categories you wish to access. And now the next command is clean mgr. Simply type clean mgr and click OK. This will launch the disk cleanup, where you can clean your drive. Choose the drive from the list and click OK. It will then ask you to specify what you want to delete, such as clearing all cache or temporary files. You can select from this list, uncheck the item you want to exclude, and click OK. This will remove all of these types of temporary files from your drive. This is another great command to use when you're running out of storage. To access another great run command, use Control Space User Passwords number 2, and you'll need to click OK. After you type this, the user account box will appear, displaying every account type that was created on your computer, including Microsoft and local accounts. From this point on, you can only reset the password, add or remove local accounts, and change the type of account by clicking on Properties under Group Membership. You can also make it an admin account or a standard account, all separate. OK, so the Computer Defaults command is the next one we have. Type Computer Defaults to access it in the Run box and select OK. This will launch the default application, which you can only manage from this point on. For example, you can manage the default application for your browser or any other type of application. If you frequently want to modify the default application settings, you can do so by using this one command. Now, next command, we have the ctune. This is just another easy command that you type into the Run box. Then you have to click on OK. Once you click on OK, a clear type text tuner will appear, making the text on your screen easier to read. Basically, this command is for people who have trouble reading any kind of text, article, or anything else that has been written on the monitor. To solve this, simply click on Next, and Windows will tell you that it is ensuring that your monitor is set to its native resolution. Then you may click on Next. It will then provide you with a few examples, which you must select based on which one you can read correctly. After you've made your selection, you can click on Next once more to see more examples. Thus, you must choose the character that you can read the best from this selection, click Next once more to see some more examples, and continue by selecting the best character you can read so that in the future, you will be able to read any text that is displayed on your screen more easily. Next command is dxdiag. Once more, you must type this into your Run box and click OK. This will launch the Direct Diagnostic tool, which will provide you with a wealth of information about your system. You can then navigate to the display section to gather as much information as you'd like to. And now let's also look at a few well-known tools that you can use the run command to access. Use the command diskmg-mt sc. Then you need to click OK. This command will launch disk management, where you can view and access every type of disk that is connected to your computer. You can also make a variety of changes from this screen, including changing the drive letter, adjusting the volume, reducing or increasing it, and managing a number of other settings. And similarly, the another next command is msconfig. Once enter msconfig into the run box. You'll need to click OK to bring up the system configuration, where you can control a number of Windows settings. For example, under General, you'll find Startup Selection, Diagnostic Startup, and Selective Startup, which are essentially for troubleshooting any kind of issue. Okay, let's go to the next command. That's powercfg.cpl. This is another incredible command that you can type into the run box. After you click OK, the power option box will appear, allowing you to select the desired and preferred power plan depending on your needs and expectations. Now, the next command on the list is quite basic, and I have no doubt that most of you are unfamiliar of it. Therefore, all you have to do is type PSR clicking. The OK button in the run box will bring up a small box named Step Recorder. Now that you know exactly what this tool does, you can use it to troubleshoot any kind of issue, record any kind of step, and send that step to someone else. All you have to do is click on Start Record, and the next time you click anywhere, it will record every step that you exactly did. Now let's run the following command, which is ncpa.cpl. Simply enter ncpa.cpl into the run box, then click OK. This will open the network connection box, where you can perform various troubleshooting, modifications, and optimizations. It will show all available network adapters, such as Ethernet, Wi-Fi, and virtual machine adapters. If you have already connected, it will also show any additional adapters. That's all I have for today, guys. Hopefully, you found all 12 run commands to be very useful. If so, please remember to like, subscribe, and tell me which command you like most in the comment box.